Hey there, fellow anatomists! Today we're talking about the pelvis. The muscles that make up the border of the pelvis are the piriformis muscles, the coccygeus muscles, the levator ani, and the obturator internans and externans muscles. The pelvic diaphragm separates the pelvic cavity from the perineal cavity. It's formed by the levator ani and coccygeus muscles and their fascia. The pelvis is superior and deep to the pelvic diaphragm, and the perineum is superficial and inferior to the diaphragm. Inside the perineum is the urogenital diaphragm. The urogenital diaphragm is formed by the perineal membrane and deep transverse perineal muscles. In women, it supports the vagina and gives passage to the urethra. The urogenital diaphragm also divides the anterior perineum into two compartments, the superficial perineal pouch, seen here, and the deep perineal pouch. If we get rid of the pelvic diaphragm, we can get a better look at the deep pouch. In women, it contains the urethra, the external urethral sphincter, the vagina, the dorsal nerve of the clitoris, and the internal pudendal artery and vein. The deep perineal pouch and its contents lie inferior to the levator ani and superior to the perineal membrane. Now let's take a look at the superficial perineal pouch, which lies inferior to the perineal membrane and superior to the superficial fascia of the perineum. This space contains the superficial transverse perineal muscle, the perineal body, the bulbospongiosus muscles, and the ischiocavernosus muscles. Deep to these muscles are the bulb of the vestibule and the crura of the clitoris. You can also find the superficial branch of the pudendal artery, vein, and nerve here.